Hello, welcome to Genetics in Pills. In this pills, we are continuing to review some experiments showing that the DNA is the repository of the genetic information of the organisms. After the Griffiths experiments in 1928, now we show this other set of experiments carried out by Avery in 1944, it's 16 years later than Griffiths. So Avery took the experiments of Griffiths and made some small changes, because in this way he could assess what was the fraction of the extracts of the strain S enabling to transform bacteria. As you may remember, the strain S of Streptococcus pneumoniae could transform the strain R, and the strain R was not lethal, but the mixture of the extracts of strain S inactivated with heat together with the live strain R could cause the transformation of some cells R into cells S, and this could cause pneumonia into mice, and the mice could die of pneumonia, and the cells extracted from these mice were transformed in cells S, stably virulent. So the experiment was changed a bit by Avery, modifying the composition of the extracts of the strain S. Once the strain S is inactivated somehow by heat, for example, he could destroy the polysaccharides fraction. So removing the sugar, still the transformation could occur. The same thing could happen when the extracts of the strain S was removed of the fraction containing lipids. Still, the transformation could occur and the strain R would become strain S, inheritably stable. Then there was the possibility to discriminate between RNA and DNA among the nucleic acids. So a treatment of the extracts with RNAs, an enzyme specific for digesting RNA, then still the transformation could occur. So each of these fractions, lipids, carbohydrates, RNA, were not the active principle of the transformation. Again, what about proteins? The S extracts, after a treatment with a protease, would still be transforming the strain R into strain S. And then finally, when the extracts of the inactive strain S is digested with a DNase that is specifically removing the DNA fraction, the transformation didn't occur. So this was a nice experiment, one of the experiment among the others, strongly suggesting that the DNA was the depository of the genetic information. Thanks for watching genetics in pills.